Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring your phone number is verified in your Google account so Meet can use it for dial-in or SMS invites. Once done, open the Google Meet app and grant microphone and camera permissions. These let you speak and be seen. Next, tap New Meeting to create a link or join with a meeting code. Make sure to choose the option that includes phone dial-in or shows the phone number for participants so they can call in if needed. Now focus on adding participants by phone. Tap Add People and type a phone number directly or paste numbers into the invite field. You can also send the link via SMS. If you prefer dialing, open the meeting details and tap phone numbers or dial-in options to view the access code and local number. Select the correct country code, then tap Call to connect using your cellular dialer. This ensures callers join with the meeting PIN rather than through internet audio. To finish, verify callers see the meeting PIN and that their display name appears. This avoids unknown participants. Make sure you know how to switch audio sources. Tap the audio icon to move between phone and device microphone, so you can use phone dial-in when needed. If audio quality or connection fails, first test your cellular signal and Wi-Fi, then toggle microphone permissions in settings. If that fails, hang up and redial using the shown local number and PIN. This usually resolves dial-in issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.